Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we're excited to present the top 5 best shallow mount subwoofers, offering powerful bass performance in a compact and space-saving design. If you're looking to enhance your car audio system with deep and rich bass without sacrificing trunk space, these shallow mount subwoofers are perfect for you. Shallow mount subwoofers are specially designed to fit into tight spaces, such as under seats or in small enclosures, making them ideal for vehicles with limited room for traditional subwoofers. We've carefully selected these subwoofers based on their performance, power handling, low-profile design, and overall user satisfaction. Each subwoofer on our list is engineered to deliver impressive bass response despite its shallow form factor. These subwoofers feature advanced technologies, such as high-quality cone materials, efficient power handling, and specialized enclosures, ensuring that they can reproduce deep and impactful bass frequencies. We've considered factors such as sensitivity, frequency response, impedance, and compatibility with different car audio setups to ensure that these shallow mount subwoofers meet your specific audio needs. For detailed information about the top 5 best shallow mount subwoofers we discuss, check the descriptions below this video. You'll find links to these subwoofers, where you can explore pricing and additional details. If you're looking for a more comprehensive comparison and in-depth reviews, visit our website azsuperbox.com. We provide valuable insights and expert recommendations to help you choose the perfect shallow mount subwoofer for your car audio upgrade. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of the top 5 best shallow mount subwoofers and discover the ideal solution to elevate your car audio experience with powerful bass. Don't forget to check the descriptions for links to the subwoofers we discuss. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable tech reviews and recommendations.
DD Audio is proud to present the all-new SL600 Slimline series of subwoofers, featuring ultra-shallow mounting depths and suspensions tuned to perform well in both sealed and ported enclosures. The SL600 series subwoofers give you the bass you want in almost any space you want to put them in. To maintain power handling, cooling, and excursion, the SL600s utilize full-size subwoofer features such as 2.5-inch high-temperature voice coils, 72-ounce magnets, backplate coil gap venting, and EROM surrounds. One of the features unique to the SL600 series is the triple-layer shallow body cone. By compressing a layer of foam between 2 layers of pulp, the cone is kept as light and rigid as a standard cone, yet shallow enough to allow suspension travel equal to a full-size subwoofer. Available in both 10 and 12-inch models, the SL600 series breaks the rules that say you have to have big power and big space to make mirror-shaking bass.
This is Aaron Malin at the Kicker Global Headquarters. I'm coming to you with a brand new for 2016 Comp R Subwoofer. The Comp R offers a high excursion design for high output bass that gives incredible depth to your music. Comp R woofers have 2 high temperature voice coils that offer 2 impedance options to properly match your amplifier's output requirements. Wiring your system to the correct impedance ensures great sound quality and long-term reliability. You'll notice the oversized compression push terminals. This allows for heavy gauge speaker wire for maximum power transfer when using big amplifiers. The ribbed surround is attached to the solo cone with our iconic double stitching. These are just a few of the things that give the Comp R legendary kicker performance and durability for a lifetime of great bass. This is Aaron Malin at the Kicker World Headquarters. I'm holding our all-new for 2016 Comp RT Thin Subwoofer. I'm going to show you why it's the perfect subwoofer for small spaces. The Comp RT offers true subwoofer performance in an ultra-slim package. We don't compromise on deep, chest-pounding bass just to fit a woofer where woofers aren't supposed to fit. If you want the performance of a Comp R but don't have the space, Comp RT is your solution. The Comp RT achieves high output and impressive power handling because of our unique motor structure featuring a deep bumped top plate. This allows the cone maximum travel while maintaining linearity for accurate bass. Comp RT woofers have two high-temperature voice coils and are available in 2 ohm and 1 ohm impedances. You'll notice the oversized Comp RT compression push terminals. This allows for heavy gauge speaker wire for maximum power transfer when using big amps. These are just a few things that give the Comp RT legendary kicker performance and durability in a really thin package.